name is service.html is a new file under import css folder, and from home file till header we can keep the same. Till header we can keep the same. Till header we can keep the same. Then after that your body will be closed and your HTML will be closed. Now what should happen is, if you are in the home file, if you are on the home file, the home link should be, if you are in the home file, home link will be, if you are in the home file, home link will be by default something red color. If you go to the service file, service link will be red color. Whichever the page we are, that page should be active. So how to do that? Any idea? Think something? If you are on the service page will be red, service link will be red. If you go to the home link will be red. You have to write a class for that, or maybe ID you have to write. So open the style.c, first check once the service file is ready, home and service is linking. If the home and service is linking, then we can go to the style.css, and in style.css file, in import folder you have a style.css file. In that style.css file, you can come in the last or maybe in the beginning only, after footer. Asin, I have uploaded lot of video. For the next 2 hours I can't give the video. You log in at 2:30. 2:30 you can log in, I'll give you the video. I have uploaded 4 videos just now. So for per hour there is some quota. For 2 hours, 4 video I have uploaded. For up to 4 hours, if I'll upload anything in 2 hours, it will block my everything. So you can log in at 2:30. Next, write a class called maybe ID active menu. Active menu. Write for that color as a red color. Exclamation important represent the higher priority, and text hyphen decoration as a underline. Here also exclamation important, higher priority. Active menu. Active menu you add under the CSS file. We will be using in both the HTML file. Hope added the active menu. Come to the which file now? Home file. Come to the home file. In home file, for the first li, you will write id equal to active menu. Active menu. Active menu. Okay, active menu we added for the home file. In which ID? Which li? The first A. And in service page, same ID you will add for the service link. In the service page, you can add the same ID for the service link. Service page. Service page. Hope written. Check now. Go to the both the pages and check once. Service page. Service is coming red. Home page. Home will come as a red. ID is written only one time, but we are using in both the pages. So when you open the website, you will see once you open the website, menus will be active menu, different color. Whichever the page you go, it look different. Page link will be some color will change or background will get. That happen like this technique only. We create a ID or class, and whichever the page we go for the particular link, we apply that ID or class. Okay, so active will it will look like yes you are on this particular page. After that, now come to the next page that is called service page. In the service page, after header, we will be using the icons also. We will be using the text also, and then we will do something. Write a section tag. Inside the section, write call our ID equal to our services. Our services. ID equal to our services. ID equal to our services. Inside the our services, create a first block div. id equal to my service. May we have not written anywhere my service. We have not written. So we can write here my service, and under the my service, you will be adding here a I first class equal to fa hyphen rest cutoff and fa hyphen 4x or 5x. After that, one heading is required below. H1 we can follow software, and after that one paragraph we can follow below. We can write some text inside. Now write some CSS so that in one block, in one line, 3 blocks should appear. Write some CSS for my service. Oh, we wrote as a ID. It should be as a class because we are going to repeat it. So my service will get repeated total how many times? 3 times. And write some CSS so that it should come one after other in the same line with the equal gap, equal margin, equal padding. Equal margin, equal padding. Okay, you wrote something. In one line, how many divisions should come? 3. Margin equal, padding equal. भाई साहब कितनी पॉकेट में गया है ज्यादा साइज में रखो सो नहीं आप लेके जाओ अभी की में देना हम लोग की तरफ से is not from my side. This is not from my side. 1, 2, 3. Or take it, sir. Anyone want more? No, yeah, someone else got job. He came yesterday. Huh? Job suite. That is a suite for the job. Hmm. That suite frequency is reduced nowadays. Reason is what people are getting the work from home. No, people will get work from home. If they are in Bangalore, then only they'll come with the suite. If they are in home, how they'll come? Okay, good. Waiting for your reply. So hope we wrote something. Send कीजिए. Anyone can send in chat the code for our services, not our services, for my services. For my services, you wrote something. Was discussion in one line. Total 3 blocks would come. In one line, 3 blocks would come. For that, you have written some CSS. You can send that code, CSS code in chat once. Here before our services, maybe you have to write 1 or 2 BR. because content is hiding inside. Using margin also we can manage, or hold on. We'll not write BR here. In our service, we can write some CSS. 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 So we'll go here and at this place, its ID. Its ID. Inside that, padding top 50px. So from top, gap will be 50 pixel, and you will be keeping the width somewhere 90%, and you will write the width margin as a auto. Margin as a auto. Margin as a auto. The person who given the speed, two friend was working in the telecom domain. 16 pass out. Okay, telecom domain. After that, they were working in the Chennai. In the 2019, they came to Bangalore. They resigned the job and they joined the QS Spider for full stack Java. Full stack Java, yes. They paid 50,000 rupees job guarantee. Okay. After that, 50,000 gone, nothing happened. 50,000 to both friends, paid 50,000 to QS Spider, J Spider somewhere, job guarantee, will give you the job in Java. After that, nearly after 1 year, in the 2020, 1 year gone, nothing happened. After losing all hopes, they contacted me somewhere through internet. Then I trained them on Angular. Both the person got training on Angular. Then sometime they were attending Java interview, sometime they were attending UI interview. Finally, they got both. One person got job last year only, in 2021 only. He was little, you can say, good person. He having good knowledge little. He got in the 2020. Second person, after struggling a lot, he got job day before yesterday. Saturday he got a letter somewhere 8-9 lakh rupees. He is Angular UI developer. And the first person has learned from me React, and the second person learned the Angular. First person got job last year, second person learned the job this year. Okay, so Angular 50,000 has not helped him. 4,000 rupees has helped him. He have learned the Angular in 4,000 rupees only. During lockdown, we have reduced the fees. 50% I have made. Okay, because everyone has the money problem. उस समय हमने पूरा अपना फी कम कर दिया था, 50% कर दिया था ऑनलाइन. ठीक है. So the 8,000 was the Angular fee. We have trained them in 4,000 only. Angular or React in 4,000. 50,000 has not helped him. 4,000 helped him. Okay. Place is matter. Money is not matter. Okay. अब उस वहां पे भी they have learned Angular there also. Okay. Wherever they came from, they have learned the Angular there also. But their Angular trainer has learned the Angular from me. Where they spent it the 50,000, their Angular trainer has learned the Angular from me. After finishing 70% of syllabus, I got to know this person is teaching somewhere. I should not teach to teacher. I never teach to teacher. I teach to, before that in the beginning only I take the introduction. Okay, tell me what you are doing, where you are, what. Okay, if someone is from the teaching background, I say, no, we're not teaching. So, Let's see. Reference is matter. How you are getting the reference. Okay. Padding top is not helping better. We can make how much? No, margin no. Don't give margin. If you give margin, then there will be a problem from the top side. Padding, you give padding. We wanted to give the space inside the our service block so that the menu should not get impact. If you give margin, menu will get impact. Now after that, come down below. Margin 70, padding 70 pixel top is okay. 70 pixel look like less. Let's convert into 90. Okay, this is good. Now we need to write the CSS for another one that is called this one, my service is a class. So under the my service, you will be writing under the my service, you will be writing first margin, maybe 1-2% you can give. Padding also you give 2% better. Padding 2%, margin 2%. After that, then you will have 2 to 4 for 8%. Then how much will come? Width will come 25.33 or something else. How many blocks we are going to create? 3 blocks. 3 blocks. So 33.33% will come. In that you have given the 2% margin left side, 2% margin right side, 4%, 2% padding left side, 2% padding right side, 8%. 33.33 minus 8 if you do 25.33% will come. And float left we can write so that it will fit one after other. And height wise you don't give any limitation. Let's keep as a minimum height for all the division. Minimum height, suppose 150 px. Minimum height 150 px for all the division. एक मिनट में थोड़ा एक कॉल है मेरा इम्पोर्टेंट.
Sir,
Sir,
डेस्कटॉप आइकन डिसअपियर हो गया है पैडिंग यूज करे बाद।
icon
हेलो,
okay, my guide
हाँ
why desktop icon is disappear.
Okay.
Text hyphen align. Text align keep as a center. Text align center.
Text align center. ठीक है.
Text align center. So the icon plus text will appear in middle. Icon plus text will appear in middle. Now this icon plus text should be in white color. So for that color you keep as a white since background is different color. Keep color as a white since the background is different color. This is the total CSS we have written. You can replace that if not working. Okay, so text is coming in white color. Oh, white color become very non-visible color. Text white become a non-visible color. Okay, no problem. After that, so how many division you have added? One division or multiple division? Let's go here. Dot service, dot my service, space, my service colon hover, then inside if any class is there, inside if any FA class is there, their color will change to some different color, maybe red color. Check once. When your mouse will move under the my service, then inside if you have any class on that, inside if you have any class, then on that color will change to the red color. Changing to red color. Changing to red color, it's happening immediately or it's taking some time? As the mouse will go immediately, it's happening. We want to apply some timer. Once the mouse will go there, it should take 1 second or 2 seconds to change the color. So for that, see, here is the code. When we go here, as the cursor came here, this become as a red. Red is happening, okay, but we want to set some timer. Even meanwhile, you apply here cursor also, cursor colon pointer, cursor colon pointer, cursor colon pointer. So your cursor will convert into pointer and will feel like, yes, my mouse is ready to click now. Now to change the color, class name was not coming here, the icon was not coming where. Here you have the mistake. Wait, I will send you this complete section to section. You replace that. Section to section I will send you. You replace that section to section. Section to section I sent you in your chat. So you replace this section to section. Section to section you replace, it will work. Section to section, sent you, replace that. So on mouse move, hope you are able to see the color is getting changed, right? Color is getting changed. Now apply the timer in that. Let's go here and under the my service only add one more property that is called transition. Transition colon on which property you want to apply the transition? On which, what property you are changing? You are changing the property called color. So you have to write here the property called color. Okay, so transition, like whenever the changes will happen in the property, which property changes will happen, that will come under the transition. So like suppose on mouse move, you are going to change the property called color. So under the transition, you have to inject the property called color, and you have to set the timer for that in second. Suppose we'll write here call 2s. So it says call is a 2 second. So once your mouse will touch the area, it will take 2 seconds to change the color from black to red. 2 seconds definitely user can't wait. So you can check once. Just go there and just be there, see what is happening. It will change slowly. Transition.
Sir, can we give that transition in hover section?
Hover section. Transition you can't write in hover. Hover only you are doing, you are changing the property in hover, but hover is responsible only to apply the effect when, if the particular event got fire. But the transition should be added under the main property, main class.
So, but when I added the transition in hover, it's working. After 2 seconds, it's changing.
No, here also if you add it will work. Check करो आप यहाँ पे, ये हो रहा है ना? No, something wrong. Wait. Transition colon. Spelling is wrong.
Sir, you have to add it in hover section.
No. Because what we did is, no, wait करो आप. So here the event is firing for my service. It is not firing for which one? A tag. Okay, so you are applying the color for लिखो. Just suppose if I remove this one from here, and if I write here my service space A. So here you have not written this is the CSS. This CSS is not written for A. It is the CSS is written for which one? For my service. Okay, if you write the CSS for A, then it will have, so this we added for the parent. Just देखो आप, hold on. Transition I added here. The my formula was also not wrong. So suppose I will give here the color property. 2 seconds we have given, and then hover I am writing here color is red. See now this transition will apply for whom? For the my service. Earlier we were changing the property for FA, and we have applied the transition for which one? My service. Because of that reason it was not applying. Now see, I modified little. So what will happen now? We are changing the color of my service. So the transition I have written for my service only. In this case it should work. 1 minute, definitely. It's working, right? So the previous structure was wrong. Because of that, it was not applied.
But sir, in this, the whole structure is changing.
No, I'm trying to explain you. The earlier we have written the structure was different, and this what we have written structure is different. Okay. So next, look at here. Suppose transition color is 2. So if I write like this, FA. So this CSS is for whom? You are changing the color for whom?
For
the FA. You are changing the color for the FA. So definitely this transition will not apply for whom? My service. This becomes an invalid syntax. Okay. So in this case, either we have to cut from here and we have to write like this. Hold on. FA. This may work. Let me see once. Transition FA and then FA colon. There is a doubt because we are targeting to their parent. Okay, but let me see. Is happening? This is working now. So what I did now, still I have not written the transition property under the hover effect. I have written the transition property under the FA class. Okay, so if I cut from here and apply here, then this syntax become wrong, no? If I cut and write here, then this syntax become a wrong syntax. So it will apply the hover effect for whom? Sorry, color effect will apply for the my service, and there is no any effect for my service. We have written for the FA, so definitely it will not work. So from here, आप cut कीजिए, you cut from here and apply for this percentage only. But check once it's happening directly or hover it's happening.
After hover,
After hover or directly?
after hover.
After hover. Let me go here. Okay, so this is also working, no problem. आप इसको भी add कर, so you can add this line also. Remove the hover from the my service and apply the hover for the FA of A, and here also only you can add it. Come down. We have H1 and we have the paragraph also. So dot my service, again colon hover, then what should happen? If the P tag is there, it should convert into paragraph, should convert into which color? Something highlighted. Change into white color. Color as a white color. And again for E tag also you write the same. H1 tag you write here, color should become as a blue color and it should take 2 seconds. So mouse is moving under the my service itself, but there is the child elements are different. One is called FA, then for FA something else will happen. Another one is for the P, for P something else will happen. Another one is the H1, so for H1 something else will happen. Getting apply?
Yes.
All three elements we have. For all three elements, the effect should be different. Once your mouse will go there, some will become red, some will become blue, some will become as a white. And overall, on the move on the hover of my service, apply a box shadow also. Okay, apply a box shadow, some different cross color, maybe orange or white or something like that. Okay, box shadow applied. Box shadow. When the cursor will go here, which box shadow applied? कौन सा color लगाया? So you wrote separate one. My service colon hover dot my service colon hover. What should happen in that? What should happen in that? Box shadow 2px. Oh, first number 0px 2px gray color, and border radius also. Border radius somewhere 5px, not much. Border radius 5px, not much. Okay, so when mouse will go there, cursor will get apply, over effect happen. Oh, it look different. So gray color is not much impactful. Something red, orange, blue, white, some other color, red, red color, orange color, some different color we need to apply. So look effective color. Okay, let's do here for H1 which color we are given. Sorry, for paragraph you are given white color, right? Change कर दो आप थोड़ा इसको. Change to little some different color, and after that when your mouse is moving on the service block, what you do, change the background as a white color. Okay, when the mouse will go to the service, first you have to change the color of paragraph, white to different color, and after that change the background to white, then it will look different color. Okay, so hope the background is changing to which color? White color. See, now white is happening immediately. Can you apply on that control timer?
Yes.
So that timer where we'll write. Okay, so I think this paragraph color no need to change. Paragraph is black is okay. Paragraph black look fine. So this paragraph you have written here, paragraph, remove that paragraph, don't give the paragraph. इस block को ही उड़ा दो आप, remove this block. My service colon hover P color you are changing, remove that. Let it be paragraph default color, and here for the my service of hover you change the background as a white, radius you applied everything you follow. Now the background is applying as a white, on the background white you apply the transition. Background white you have written on hover, apply on that transition. See whether from here it is happening or not. From here it's happening. No, it will not happen in the same. You have to write the main tag. Where is the main tag? Yes. Here. You have to write here cursor colon, which one? Background in 2 seconds. So directly inside the hover effect, you cannot apply for the same. Okay, you have to apply for the main declaration where you have written the CSS. There you need to apply the transition property. Transition, add here, and after that, this is which one? My service. Under the my service, we add the transition background as a background in 2 seconds, and then it is happening here. For shadow also you can apply, for radius also you can apply. Comma and give the next property, comma, give the next property. Suppose I will go here and I'll write a comma here. And what next property you want to apply? Border radius. Border hyphen radius. Keep here 3 seconds. It will happen little slowly. Background will happen little 2 seconds and radius will apply in 3 seconds.
The same is working also in my service follow. Same is working also in my service follow.
My service colon hover, which one?
In that one. Also the upper one is also working in that.
ये वाला
हाँ.
वो तो पता नहीं, देख लो आप, लेकिन हमने तो ऐसा नहीं लिखा कभी. See, it's happening like this.
It's happening.
Now this block you copy and paste 3 times. What should happen? See, it is like this. Now there should be one read more option in the bottom. Read more. By default, it will be hidden. Once the mouse will come here, read more will be visible. Once the mouse will go, read more will be hidden. Disable. Not disable, hide. Hide so. Yes. So first check once. Working for all. Yes, no, please reply kijiye. All are fully silent. Look like some kind of suspense movie. No, yes, no, nothing. Something should keep coming. No, yes, working, not working. Okay, so I send you the all CSS file, all CSS content. Now, what is the requirement? Requirement is under the service block, after the paragraph, there will be read more button, read more hyperlink. By default, it will be hidden. It will not be displayed by default. So question is how to hide by default? Which property you have? In display, we have 4-5 property. Display inline, display block, display flags, display none. Correct? So once you write display none, it will be hide. It will not display anywhere. Once the mouse will come to their parent, who is the parent? My service. Once the mouse will come to the my service, so what will write? Dot my service colon hover space A. If the A is inside, then display block. Display will be visible. Will implement. Come to the HTML first. After paragraph, write a tag. A tag. Inside that, write here read more. Read more. Okay. And for a tag, href you can write here and write like this. Okay, so hope you written. Let's check now. See, it's coming read more by default. We want read more should not come there. Once the user will come inside, then only read more will be visible. So for that, see how to address the a tag. Address tag for a tag, let's write here. Class equal to read more. READ MORE. Class equal to read more. Read more. Written the class. Now come to the CSS. In the CSS, by default here, you write a class called read more and keep inside display none. Display none. Display none. Read more, display none. Read more, display none. Check now, it's visible. It will not be visible. It will be hidden. It's there only, but it is hidden. Now, when you want to show it, after hover on what?
On paragraph.
No, on the parent of a tag. Parent of read more. So who is the parent? See here. A is the part of my service, correct? So once the mouse come under the my service, then only this should be visible. So for that again, how we have follow here ahref and all, we will follow in the same way. We'll go here dot my service colon hover. After that inside, if there is a class called read more, then what should happen? Display should be as a block. Display as a block. It will become as a visible. Display as a block. It may be your page will look like little jing-jang. Okay, once the mouse will go, it will be visible. It may be, it's look like up down is happening block. You can increase the mean height. For my service, if you have written the mean height, you can increase that. See, read more is coming, but read more one is come, the block is getting little up down. So we need to increase the mean height. Mean height for my service, how much we are given? 150. Let's give little more. Let me give 200 somewhere. You can keep equal text everywhere. Okay, अभी भी हो रहा था मेरे लिए. It's happening still. How much you are given? 250. Oh, it's still happening because my text is more. 300. So this is okay, right? Now read more is coming very fast. Can you control that? It should appear in 1 second or 1.5 second or 2 second. Transition. Apply the transition for read more. The height you can adjust according to your content, how much content you are given. Accordingly, you can write the height. For read more, we want to set some timer. So where we need to add that? In the class, read more class only, you can add one line called transition. How much? Transition on which property? Display property. Apply the transition for display property. Which property you are changing? That property you need to modify. Not working. Display none. Transition. Display 2 seconds. Let's come to the browser. Not coming. It's coming. Okay. Display none. Display block. Okay. इसको कट करो आप यहाँ से. Then apply in the second block. Read more. Display block. Transition display in 2 seconds. Display in 2 seconds. Display block. Display none is by default. Service read more. Read more. Display property will be in 2 seconds. After that, 2 seconds, and then display as a block will happen. Not happening. So no problem. We can write we can apply some technique here. Color again white by default, and here we can change the color. Let me add here color and change the color into black color or maybe blue color. Color as a white, because background is also be given as a white. After that, slowly will come display as a blue. Let's try this one. No, that is not happening. Okay, not happening then. No idea. I will cut that part from here and I'll remove the transition. Read more should come in 2 seconds. Read more, display block, color blue. Let it be till here. Okay, let it be enable and disable, show and hide. Add the last 2 lines. Display colon none, display colon none, and display colon block. Okay, hope added. Hello. Hello. Yeah, just tell me. React and not fresher or experience. HR.info campus. Gmail.com. That is our main company is Info Campus only. You communicated with Info Campus already? Just now or long back? When you communicated? Yesterday. Oh, Saturday. Okay. Okay. They will. Okay. In the React.js, some people are there. They have gone through the Node.js also. Okay. So, native we don't have. We don't have training on React Native. React Redux, it is for the web application. React Redux looks this combination you can find. See around. If you want, I can ask them to filter and send you again the React with the Node people only. Shall we ask them to do that? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. No problem. I will ask them to filter only React and Node people and send you. Okay, hope written. Let's go ahead. So this part is done. Now responsiveness we need to make it. So what we'll do, this service block, hope you have copy paste. Total how many times? 3 times. Let me do that one. Here we can write something marketing, and this we can keep as a headset. Okay, after that next we'll write here another one, call something employment, right here called search icon, search. So how many blocks? 4 blocks is coming. One is called headset and second one is called search. So headset and search box will appear, search kind of icon. Anywhere you go, the same functionality. Anywhere you go, the same functionality. Something like this. So CSS is only one time and it is getting applied many times. Yes, no, reply कीजिए, please reply, working or not working, or shall I share the file? Working? Okay, very good. See now, when the company search in the market, hire React.js developer in Bangalore, they will find us two places. Okay, not only two places, many places they will find us only. Okay, so what they will do? They will call on that number, they will call on this number, they will call on that. Finally, target is anyhow your profile should reach there. Info Campus, where are you? See, this is our company name only. Cybertrix. Okay, so people will go there, they will fill the form, details will come and we'll send the profile via Info Campus. Okay, नीचे देखो Info Campus, where are you? It's here. Correct. So what will happen? Not only this, some more are there. They are little down. They will also come in the list. Okay, so wherever they will find, they will come to us only. First, they will call to that 2-3 numbers. 2-3 more websites are there. In that website, my number is mentioned. In two websites, some different numbers are mentioned. So they will call either here, there. Somehow they will come to us only. Okay. Next, what we need to do? Here's the bit messed up. Understand? Now, when you go to the small device, what will happen? This all three become mixed up. That is not called responsive design. As per the rules you have set, it is working. We said like, okay, you occupy 30, how much? 25%. After margin and padding, it is occupying same thing. But in the same width, the percentage what we are given, in that the content is not able to adjust. Or maybe content is moving out of the block, or maybe content is going somewhere else. So what we have to do? We have to write the media query. And through media query, suppose if it is the mobile phone, then one block should appear. If it is little bigger, then 2 blocks should come. If it is a very big, then 3 blocks should come. Correct? So let's go and work on that part. I will share you HTML and CSS, both the file. Practice kijiye, please practice little. Development work is little tough only. So see, everywhere a skill is demanded. Keep in mind, if you have the skill not today, tomorrow, not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will get the chance. 2 person was struggling for the job from the Jalandhar, Punjab. Okay, 1 month before, they attended online classes. So that side there is no much opening for IT software. No, I suggested them come to Bangalore. Within 15 days, you will get the chance. Okay, as soon as they came in Bangalore, within a week, both person joined. Okay, एक वीक के अंदर दोनों का सेटलमेंट हो गया. So knowledge again is a matter, place is matter. Okay, let's come to your CSS part. In CSS, we have written the media query So look at here, for my service, we have given the width as a 25%. Okay, you are not going to reuse this margin and padding. Margin and padding total we have consumed 8%. So you don't have right now to access that 8%. 8% is already well organized. Okay, so if you are going to display the 2 block, you have to minus the 8%. Suppose if you want to display 1 block in one line, then total width will be 100%. In the 100%, already you have consumed how much? 8%. 4% margin, 4% padding. Remaining is 92% only you have the right to use anywhere. If you are going to display 2 block in one line, then how much will come? 50% should come. 50% minus 8%. Okay, 42% you can consume for the one division. Okay, that way we are going to calculate now. Come down below. First we'll go under the mobile block. That is 1 pixel to 700 pixel. Come inside under the 700 pixel, 1 to 700 pixel area. You will write a class called my service. Under the my service, we need to work on width part. As is 92%. Width 92%. Exclamation important. Exclamation important. So width will 92% will happen. Automatically next block will go to the next line. Check now. Okay, clear. Check now. For the small device, what is the condition now? Only one block. One block will come in one line. Second block will go to the next line. Minimum height we can reduce. Okay, see, minimum height is more. There is a lot of space in the down. So minimum height we can reduce. So suppose I have given 350. So I can write here mean hyphen height. Mean height I can write 250 px, 250 px, 250 px, and exclamation important. Exclamation important. Exclamation important. Mean height we reduce little. Okay, so this is okay. As soon as it go little bigger device, 3 is coming. 3 should not come. 2 should come. So we can go here, and in the second block, we have media query 701 to 850. In that, you will be writing for my service. My service. What should happen is the width should be 42%. 42%. Mean height you can manage. You can check once. Maybe you can go till 300. You check now. So the medium device, 2 block will come. Sufficient to organize the content. Last will go in the next line. And more than this, automatically more than 850 pixel, there will be 3 blocks in one line. 3 blocks in one line. Okay, so hope working till here. Next, after that, if you have done all the assignment till date, then hope you have got a lot of idea. I will share you some more files today. Assignment, you can try that. And then again, these 4 files was ready, exactly similar. Okay, if you have made similar, then you have understood very good. Input box alignment you can manage through the, let me open this. Input box alignment is possible through, this is in table I have made, not directly in division, table. For TR, some height you can give, some width you can give, this service block, something like this. As better clean you can do, you should try. Okay, as better clean you can do, you should try. Okay, then some more complex page I will create and send you. Photo pages are there. I will take the screenshot and I'll send. You can try that. Then from tomorrow we can enter under the Bootstrap part. Okay. Maybe from CSS3 some topics will be small pending. You can see in W3. W3 schools are there. Schoolish.com, in that very good examples are there. You can understand something extra also. Okay, so we have many things still. Will not spend a lot of time. Will be delay. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Somewhere evening time I'll send the assignment, or maybe 2:30 or 4:30. In between I have some time.